Hey, this is Sean Forbes, founder of OG Directory. I'm going to show you a quick way to edit images for optimal viewing on ogdirectory.com. Okay, here we go. So what we're going to do first is open up a program called Paint, which comes with most Windows operating systems. I like to do a quick search here and type it in the search bar. And here we find the Paint app. It's going to open up a screen with a lot of options, but we're just going to get straight to the point. So if you open up the image that you need to resize, you can see that it's a lot larger than we need it to be. In fact, the dimensions are here, 4032 by 3024. For the photo gallery image, you need your photo to be 1024 by 768 pixels for the most optimal viewing on the website. So in order to resize it, we just click here on Resize, click on Pixels, and that's going to show us the current dimensions. If we unchecked the Maintain Aspect Ratio, it'll let us change these numbers to whatever we want. So we're going to change them to 1024 by 768, hit OK, and now your image has been resized. All you need to do now is just save it. I like to save it as the dimensions, so when I go to select it, I know which one I'm using. Also, you have the option of uploading a JPEG, a GIF, or a PNG file. I recommend PNGs. It just has a higher quality photo image. So I'm going to save that as a PNG, and now you're done. Another thing you're going to need to do on OG Directory is upload a logo if you've purchased a business listing that has that feature. So I'm going to open up a file that has my logo, and it is not the recommended dimensions of 96 by 96. So we're going to have to do a little bit more finessing here with this image to get it to where it needs to be. So what I do here is, because I know it needs to be 96 by 96, so the horizontal and the vertical dimensions need to match. So I'm going to move this area down to match 260. Or it could be, if you started out at 800, move it out to 800, just so that you're getting the same dimensions on both sides. So now I can select all and move my image to be centered to the best of my ability. Then we're going to go to Resize, and we're going to change that to 96 by 96. It's the recommended dimensions for logos. So it's been resized. Now we can click Save As. I always like to say OG 96 by 96, and we're done. I really hope you found that useful, not only for editing images on ogdirectory.com, but for just editing images in general. If you have any more questions or need specific help, please reach out to me directly at Shawn, SHAWN, at ogdirectory.com. Thanks for stopping by, and see you soon.